Page 86, Latin logic. As in Latin American music, I like Latin American music. It's cool. Let's look this over. It's 2 pages long. Bass and bass clef. Both start out in bass clef. Now, they're not going to stay that way, but you're starting in bass clef. 1 flat in the key signature. We're studying D minor. We're probably in D minor, but do the scales and arpeggios for both, F major and D minor. 4/4 time signature, 1 hand at a time. The right hand, you're starting in bass clef. You're down here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and then 1, 2, and then in measure 7, you get treble clef. Now we're here. We're just working our way up the keyboard. That's all. In measure 10, if that rhythm throws you, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and take out the tie and play all those eighth notes. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then when you can get that, put the tie in. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then at the bottom, measure 14. Now we got to have a 2 on here rather than a 3 because we run out of fingers if we don't. 1 and 2 and then going on 1. And eventually with this crawling around, you'll actually be able to do that without looking. You'll just kind of have a feel for where these keys are in relation to each other. A measure 21, it's a C and a D. And they're both tied at first, and at the end of the measure, the C changes to a B natural. And you can you hang on to the D, and just change that. Yeah. It's 2 voices, and this is the way they do it. For measure 23, if you fit up in here, it's fine. If not, do that. If you're going to do that, you can use 3rd finger on the D. I don't know how big your hands are, but whichever. Then at the bottom, the last line, on measure 29, you're still here. And then here. I'd like to connect all these notes here. That's at measure 29. They have you here. And then 5. I don't want to do that. No. So I'm going to prepare. It doesn't have to be 5, but I want to prepare that measure. I want to connect these with the fingers if I can. So in measure 29, here, I'm going to scrunch up into 2, 1. That way I can cross over 4 finger. I can connect them. So it's a 2, cross over. I connect them all with the fingers. That's what I recommend doing. Left hand, well, it's here. 1, 2. That's what this is doing. Moving around a little bit. That's what you're doing in the left hand. Let's go down to the bottom of page 87. We're still there. Measure 29. Here. Yeah, we just changed a little bit. You can do 5-4-3 or 4-3-2. Whichever. I don't care. Pick one. Then we put the hands together. Go to measure 3. We're playing. Same note name, same rhythm. Is that what we're doing? That's basically what it is. So I go through and I put the hands together. And then I'll go back over it slowly and get rid of the hesitations. And just focus on the spots where you're hesitating. Don't keep playing at all. Just get the hard parts worked out. And once they're worked out, then you can go back and play it all. And once the hesitations are gone, I add the articulation. I'm flexing at the wrist for the staccato. Short. Accents are just a little louder. That's pretty repetitious. On measure 16, you can put in 2 note slurs there, down, up there. You can do that if you want to, that's fine. But on these other measures, like in measure 10, slur all that together. At the end, bottom page 77, you're here. Accent, staccato, and accent. The last note, ba-da-da-dum. After the articulation, then I add the dynamics. This left hand, should be in the background pretty much throughout. It's the right hand we want to hear. And so you're starting out moderately soft. Oh, let's hear. Measure 7, you go up to loud. Moderately soft, stay there. And you can read the dynamics. The left hand just needs to stay out of the way. Then the speed. Well, about we're at 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And we do not swing the eighth notes here. There's a straight eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and on this one. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics. We're not performing it. We're just doing notes and rhythms, and we will do the repeat. Remember, there's a repeat there at measure 25 that sends you back to measure 14. And we do all that part again. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, and ready, and go, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3. Two and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Repeat. 1. 3. 2 and 1 and 2